Welcome to Vacuum Maintenance 101 with Sydney. So, this is our lovely vacuum, and we're going to show you today how to take it apart and clean it. So, first things first, you're going to take the cord and you're going to just unravel it and set it out of your way. Then, you're going to pop the canister off using the two little gray handles here. Then you're going to find your nearest trash can. Push this button in and empty the canister. You also can do it from the top and empty the top part of the canister. Once that is done, you're going to set it aside, and later you're going to wash it with soap and water in the sink. Then you're going to pop the hose off. So you're going to push in the gray button and pull the hose out. Then down here, there's another gray button. You're going to push that down and pull this part out. Later, you're going to run this through the sink and the faucet and wash it out with water. And get all the dust bunnies out of their hole. Now, this is the foam filter and the flat part of the foam filter. You want to clean this too. You're going to rinse it out in the sink, and then you're going to put it in soap and water and let it soak for 24 hours. And then pull it out of the water, squeeze any excess water out, and let it air dry again. Or you can throw it in the dryer if you like. Then you're going to push this button that says lift away on it, and you're going to pull that off. Do not put this in the sink. Do not get water in it. This is the motor. You're going to take a wet washcloth and wipe it out. Wipe all the dust out. You're going to lift this part off, and there's another filter in here. This filter, you're not going to get wet either. And you can wipe this part out with a wet wash rag. Then set it aside. Next comes the hose. You're going to push down the black button and pull the hose out. You can run water through this as well, and it will get out any of the excess dirt. Then last but not least, you have the vacuum's head. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a coin and you're going to use it to turn these little screws, and that will unlock the vacuum or lock it depending on which way you turn. You're going to pull this out. And then there's going to be little hairs and fibers and all fun stuff in the roller. So you're going to pull all of the hairs and all the fiber out. Sometimes the hair is wrapped around quite a bit. You're going to need scissors to cut the hair out and then pull it off. Then once you're done with that, you're going to put it in the sink. You're going to take a sponge, a magic eraser, a brush, something, and you're going to wash as good as you can with soap and water and get all that out. And then try your best to kind of get as much of a brush or something in there in that hole and get the dirt out of there too. Also back in here, this little nook likes to hold hair too. So if you're gonna wanna wash that out too. Soap and water, brush, sponge, magic eraser, anything. And that, my friends, is how you clean and maintain your vacuum.